In accordance with the decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet examination and it means that you finished the ride. My congratulations to you, Egle.
Thank you.
And hope to see you again in the competition. And I congratulate my friend. And you good horse, very intelligent, very good. Yeah, yeah. Congratulations.
katsu tule õla juurde jääda rohkem, mitte ette ära vedada. Mida? Õla juurde rohkem jääda, kõrvale, mitte ette ära vedada.
Go!
Ja laste õla.
Considering with the last decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet control. It means that you finished our distance today, and we congratulate you with this success. It's really a success. Thank you so much, and my congratulations. And congratulations for you, my dear. Oh. Thank you, congratulations. Final decision of vet commission. Your horse passed the commission, and it means that gone finished the race. And I want cordial congratulations.
And kiss. Why not?
What you have to do with my wife who rode the horse?
Tell your wife she done very well. Yes, really. Yes.
President, kiss only like 2 times, 3 times. Okay, please go. Sadnica. Heterotus.
Number 6 to
Okay. In accordance with the final decision of vet commission, your horse passed the final vet exam, and I cordially congratulate you with a very good result. It's very good. It's a pity that it was national, but I hope your international will be in future. So my cordially congratulations with very good job. Thank you so much, Mariana. Anders, in accordance with the final decision of vet commission, your horse Virge passed the vet examination. It means you finished, but not only the finish. We called it this no problem winner. It means that the winner who really win and save the horse. Thank you so much. You did fantastic job, and you are winner. I think that everybody must applaud to our new winner of this competition. Thank you so much. You did fantastic. He is not allowed. Jealous. Jealous.
So, congratulations.
Yes. Did a very good job. Yeah. You passed together the final examination. It means you finished the ride. It is only the beginning. We hope. Yes. And we'll meet on next competition. Thank you so much for good job. Thank you, my dear. Well done.
Thank you.
Eesti meistrivõistluste vabaklassi autasustamine toimub täna orienteeruvas kell 5 siinsamas koha peal ja Eesti meistrivõistluste oma samuti. Nii et Eesti meistrivõistluste ja Eesti meistrivõistluste vabaklassi raames toimub võistluse autasustamine täna kell 5. Kui vihma ei saa, siis siin.
8 is done completely.
Tanya.
Only
The
national
name
8
of
is missing.
our one jury and vet commission. Your horse passed
Yeah,
the
one.
final vet. It means that you did a fantastic job today.
I know.
Yes. You are second, but I hope
I'm
that
really
in future,
satisfied.
in future it will be with such a good force. You will
And
have a good
it's
result.
5th.
My congratulations on this very day. Thank you so much for good job and thank you
So,
for
congratulations.
because it is and you, my dear. Yes. Good job. Tanya, such a nice Russian name. Ivan, in spite of the fact that your horse has a name Fiasco, you have not got a fiasco. You did a good job. Congratulations. You passed the final vet examination. Thank you. Thank you. My congratulations.
Thank you, Varro. Or in veterinary commission, Nikolai Yakupov. And of course, our IT specialist in all IT solutions, infotechnological genius, Harald Krishel.
May I say a few words? If I tell it was the best FPI ride in Estonia ever, it's easy. But I think this ride was so nice, so easy. From the preparation, from the track, from the organization you did, and as well from what all the riders did. Because it was one of the very few rides where almost everybody saw the finish. It was only 3 riders out of 22 or 23, so it's... I think FEI won't believe us. they will ask the vet commission what they did.
We will cancel off FEI list.
Probably they will send, next time they will send a new vet commission. I think they had to dead on the vodka the whole day or something like that. But it was one of the very few rides where almost everything was done perfect. So thank you as a president, thank you Heiko for inviting us, and I hope we'll be the same next year.
Thank you very much. Nice words. Of course I didn't it at my own. We have whole big family who did it, whole half of the year. And of course, thanks to our sponsor, Mr. Ali Mohammed Al Mohairi. We have small company, department of small company, DHL or something. We can send him to Dubai this thing. Let's see. Of course, we had no any competition can't be without problems. Of course we had some, and we had to invite another person to veterinary commission because one doesn't appear because several problems. But unfortunately, we had one paid degree veterinarian in Estonia, Kaido Kuusepp, please. Yeah. Thank you very much. And of course, we had our route designer. You saw him yesterday. Is he here now? Ivar? No, Ivar not here. Ivar have a little cottage where he every summer inviting a lot of people, maybe hundreds and hundreds. And he asked this, how can I say, what it cost her to put it on the wall. It shows it is a prestige competition to put something on the wall where hundreds of people in 1 year. Why not? And we did that. He said he will put this one on the wall, and if he doesn't, me and Hego going there and kick his ass. Actually.
May I go with you?
Of course.
Okay, thank you. And I want to give this to Andres.
And now we're doing it quickly because
There is a lot of wine.
And more discussion between us beside this. That's why I'm saying we have two treating veterinarians, Andres Tuvi and Tiit Siigoja, in our competition. And of course, our stewards. Our stewards, Liina and secretary. Of course, our secretary, Liina Orle. Other secretaries and stewards, Anu Kull, Siiri Nõva. Of course, we had a lot of help. Our young guy who helped from start to finish everything. He did everything. Thank you. As I told you, we had some problems in the time of competition too. It was 2 times we missed from our miracle stream competition number 2, and someone did run to help us, and she was Kelly Kvanström. Who is Kelly Kvanström? Ei ole siin, jah? She was helping us a lot. And of course our farrier, Urmas Kubre. drop like shoe. Every farrier needs it to fall. We have some posters left. Is there someone who wants to take it home to put on the wall? Harald, I will come to Austria and I will look. Do you put it in your treasure on the wall?
I will put it in my trailer.
Trailer. Is there someone who wants to take it? And now we have one little surprise. One beautiful girl will be here and say what she wants to say to some very special persons.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Karolina, and first of all, I would like to congratulate you all for participating in this wonderful competition. We have a great However, the main reason why I'm standing here is the following. In the name of the Estonian Endurance Riding group and team, I would like to wish happy birthday to two of our riders. Namely, first of all, I would like to ask Virga Raur, who had birthday yesterday, to come up here. And secondly, I would like to ask Katrin Liiv to come up here also. We have birthday on Tuesday. And I would like you to blow the cake will be coming right about now. Yes, please. And would you all like to sing for them? Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear riders. Happy birthday to you.
Best condition, Nero.
So now the horse is trotted on the line.
liiga suur 8, hakka keerama juba. suurem ring tee, see 8 tiir tee suurem.
Now the horse is trotted at a bigger weight and from Lithuania, ridden by Ieva Matukice. Thank you. This was horse number 20.